civics. And the name of that lesson I have written here, role of the government in health. Okay. And in the previous video we have learned the definition of health. Okay. So definition of health is what? Our ability to remain free from the illness or injuries. That is called health. Our ability to remain free from illness and injuries. That is called health. And health is not only related with illness or disease. It is based on different factors which are present in our surrounding. Which are different factors are there. These factors affect on our health. So we should have to do something for our prevention. After that we have seen about the healthcare center in India. We have learned that India is the largest number of country where there are many hospitals. India is the country where there is a many number of hospitals are there. And we have also seen that in every year near about 15,000 of new doctors qualify in our India. Every year near about 15,000 of different doctors qualify. They become doctors. But we have seen that many of the doctors settle in the urban area only. They do not settle in the rural area. So the people of village, they go to the city for their treatment. Means doctors are there in our country, but they are well settled in on the urban areas, in the cities only, not in the village. After that we have seen 5 lakh of people. Every year in India, 5 lakh of people die due to the TB, tuberculosis. We have seen in the previous video. And we have also seen that most of the 21% of the communicable disease are spread through the water. We have seen that. Okay. After that we have seen half of the children in our India, they do not get proper food to eat. As we have seen that there are different facilities, healthcare facilities are there in our India, but still half percent of the children do not get proper food to eat. So these were all the points we have learned. Now in today's video, we have to see what is required to prevent from this treat illness which the patients are facing in our India. What we have to see, which things are required, what is needed or what is required for the prevention from this treat illness. Which requirement should be there for the treatment, for the prevention of this treat illness of the patient. So listen it now carefully. First thing is that there should be good facilities. Patient should get good healthcare facilities. Like they should get hospitals, then they should get ambulance services, blood banks, laboratories for testing for different testing or for performing different experiments. So they should get what? Proper facilities for them. After that, good medicines and equipment should be there. Good facilities of medicine and medical equipment should be there for their treatments of the patient. And for running these facilities like hospitals, blood banks, laboratories, health workers should be there. Health officials should be there. Like qualified doctors should be there, specialized doctors should be there, nurses should be there, and health workers should be there. So that's why they can avoid the disease or illness. They can diagnose or they can do good treatment to the patients. So this kind of requirement should be there if we want to prevent the patient from the treat illness. In our India, we know that there are many large number of clinics are there, hospitals are there, where still there is not good health facilities to the patients. As you can say that each and every facilities are present in our India. Qualified doctors are there, lots of clinics are there, medicals are there for the treatment of the patients. But still we can see in our India there is means patients do not get proper kind of treatment in the healthcare center. Now I tell you one example of person, Hakim Sheikh. Okay, I am going to tell you one story of Hakim Sheikh. So one Hakim Sheikh was there from West Bengal. He was the member of Paschim Bengal Mazdoor Sangatna, Paschim Bengal Khet Mazdoor Samiti. Okay, Paschim Bengal Khet Mazdoor Samiti. That was his organization, which was in West Bengal. West Bengal में एक organization थी पश्चिम बंगाल खेत मजदूर समिति. So he was the member of that. But in 1992 में क्या हुआ? On one evening he was traveling in the train, but accidentally he fell down from the train. एक बार क्या हुआ? 1992 में वो ट्रेन में सफर कर रहा था. But after that what happened? He fell down. So what happened? He was suffering from head injuries. Head injury. उसके हेड को बहुत ऐसी जख्म हुई. So he fell down from the train and he was seriously suffered from the head injury. So immediately he went for the treatment. So in Kolkata he went in the government hospital for taking his treatment. But after reaching there, what happened? There was not a bed for him to treatment. वहाँ पे उसके लिए बेड ही नहीं थी खाली. He went there in Kolkata in government hospital, but there was no bed for him for getting the treatment. उसके लिए वहाँ पे बेड ही नहीं था. कोई बेड खाली नहीं था. Every bed were filled of what? Patients. After that he went in another government hospital, but after reaching there he found that there was not specialized doctor. वहाँ से फिर दूसरे गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में गए, पर वहाँ गए तो वहाँ पे स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर ही नहीं था. स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर, हेड इंजरी का स्पेशलाइज्ड डॉक्टर ही नहीं था. सो फॉर 14 hours he just continuously wandered here and there. पूरे 14 घंटे वो इधर उधर ऐसे घूमा. Into that serious condition he just wandered here and there for treatment. And into that 14 hour he visited to different 8 government hospital. उसने 14 घंटे में 8 अलग ऐसे गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में वो गया. But he did not get the proper treatment or proper place to take his treatment there. Then finally he decided to take his treatment in private hospital. And after that when he went into the private hospital, he got the bed there and he also got the treatment. So he became very angry. So his organization Paschim Bengal Khet Mazdoor Samiti and he launched case against the government hospital. उन्होंने क्या किया? उसको जगह नहीं मिली, ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिली, इसकी वजह से उन्होंने क्या कर दिया? फिर उनके खिलाफ केस कर दिया. So you can see here government, the condition of government hospitals and conditions of government healthcare center means if you went into the most of the people in our country now in a present they do not like to take treatment in the government hospital. First of all they give preference to the private hospital only. बहुत सारे आज भी ऐसे इंडिया के लोग हैं कि जो गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल में ट्रीटमेंट नहीं लेते because they think that they do not get proper facilities. They do not get proper facilities to them in the government hospital. So they think that we should have to take our treatment in the private hospitals only. So most of the people today they take their treatment in the private hospital because they think that they do not get proper facilities there. So this was about the condition of healthcare center in our India. As there is a lot of money in our country, knowledge doctors are there, treatment of the patient. So first is good facilities, facilities of health. Health should be there. Should be there. Like hospitals, blood banks, ambulance service. So these are the things which is required for the treatment to the patient. Ambulance service. After that, laboratories. It should be there for the treatment of the patients. After that, second, medicine and well equipment should be there. Well, equipment should be there for the treatment of the patient. Okay. To run these facilities, what is required? Specialized doctor, doctors. After that, nurses, then health workers. Health workers should be there. So these are the things which are required for the patient for the group treatment. Okay, so now here I hope you will write these points in your notebook. Please note down all these points. Now next point we will see in the next video then. Okay, see you in next video then.